Hi, I'm Tom Curtis, and this next song is The Autumn Leaves from the exploration Leaves, Leaves, Leaves. The autumn leaves are whirling, spinning, twirling. Autumn leaves are swirling in the wind. In the spring they're green with chlorophyll, helping to make the air we breathe. The autumn leaves are whirling, spinning, twirling. Autumn leaves are swirling in the wind. With their colors, red and brown, orange and yellow floating down. The autumn leaves are whirling, spinning, twirling. The autumn leaves are swirling in the wind. Leaves make art and leaves make music as they swirl in the wind. The autumn leaves are whirling, spinning, twirling. The autumn leaves are swirling in the